Electricity powered by water from the beautiful Spokane River keeps the lights on at Fairchild Air Force Base. Using those lights and other power sources on base less is the reason Fairchild is an award-winning base. And at Fairchild, energy is the name of the game.
Fairchild is a tanker base. So our purpose as an Air Force base is energy. We are in the business of delivering energy here. That's our mission.
The base has reduced energy intensity by 14.25% over the last 3 years and water usage by more than 13%. So what is the secret to Fairchild's success? A large part is credited to a state-of-the-art energy management control system, which acts like an all-seeing wizard with its eye on 109 buildings on base and 14,000 functional control points. For 2 decades, Michael Miller has led the installation, operation, and upgrading of the Energy Management Control System, even winning a Federal Energy Management Program award for his work in 2011. He says one of the keys to success is making the system accessible.
Our system is all accessible, via the network using Internet Explorer. So we have web pages. Okay, so I would recommend anybody that put a new system in. You want to make sure that it has a HTML format where people can access it from their desk. Just by really accessing a website.
According to Energy Manager Bill Turner, the system can do everything from turn equipment off and on to more high-tech operations.
So we're going to demand-based ventilation. People breathe out CO2 and breathe in oxygen. So you measure the CO2 that is in the space where the people are as they are there, and you can adjust your outside air to keep the people at a comfortable level but not bring in too much outside air that you'll have to heat.
And the system doesn't just control the temperature. It can see right inside the inner workings of a building to check on how the equipment is working.
You also have the ability to look at stuff and see, is it actually operating the way it's supposed to? And if it's not, then you can work with your HVAC mechanics, to fix that.
But that's not the only energy-saving measure in place on base.
We've got radiant heating systems in hangars and warehouses that's working very well. Everybody loves the T5 fluorescent lighting. Our biggest proponents of that are the guys in the utility shop themselves. Everybody is happy with the light output, and we're very happy with the energy savings as well.
A culture change campaign is in full swing to keep energy and water conservation at the forefront for all airmen on base. And remember that water usage reduction number of more than 13%? Leak studies made all the difference. Engineers located and repaired a leak in water lines leading to the water storage tank, eliminating a 30-gallon per minute water loss. This translates to more than 15 million gallons per year saved. In addition to fixing the water tower leak, the base has replaced or repaired more than 1.5 miles of old pipes, and over 300 toilets have been replaced with low-flow fixtures. Sprinklers used to eat up a huge amount of water.
Our water use is dominated by irrigation demand. We use far more water outside of the buildings on irrigation than we do inside the buildings.
To solve that problem, rock gardens have become all the rage on base, even welcoming visitors to the Civil Engineer Building. Fairchild has big plans for the future as well. Geothermal heat pumps are on the agenda, as well as a smart irrigation system which can sense how much water is needed in an area and will prevent overwatering. At Fairchild, everyone is working together to make sure they meet their goals today, tomorrow, and well into the future.
If we have an opportunity to save some money by saving energy, by conservation, we're going to do it. I mean, everyone is on board with figuring out how the best way to save a nickel is, because every dollar we spend on energy is a dollar that we don't spend in flying airplanes or fighting the war. So that's pretty good motivation to save some money.